As the holiday season is here, all of us at Topbright want to take a moment to say thank you to our clients and partners across the United States. We truly appreciate your trust and the opportunity to work together throughout 2025. This year has been one of steady growth and meaningful progress. We continue to expand our storefront and window wall systems, supporting modern commercial and multifamily projects. In the hospitality space, our PTAC sliding window helped economy hotel projects move forward with fast installation and dependable performance. For residential projects, our 82 series casement window with a built-in child safety lock became a trusted solution for apartments, villas, and family-focused developments, bringing together safety, clean design, and energy efficiency. As we celebrate Christmas and get ready for 2026, Topbright remains committed to delivering high-quality aluminum window and door systems designed for the U.S. market. From all of us here, we wish you happy holidays and look forward to building more great projects together in the year ahead.